Good morning. Britain faces a turbulent week as a powerful weather system, fueled by the remnants of a distant hurricane and high tides, sweeps in. Heavy rain and strong winds are set to hit from Cornwall to Cumbria, with widespread flood risks. The Met Office has issued multiple warnings, especially for Wales, the southwest and northwest England. Persistent rain will saturate already wet ground, raising the threat of both surface and river flooding. Blustery winds may disrupt travel and cause power cuts, especially along exposed coasts and hills. This is not just typical autumn weather. It's a significant event demanding vigilance and preparation. Stay tuned for updates and take all necessary precautions. This week's wild weather began in the Caribbean as Hurricane Melissa. Drawing energy from warm tropical waters, Melissa became a classic hurricane before heading north. As it moved over cooler waters, it lost its hurricane status but retained vast amounts of moisture. Now an ex-tropical storm, Melissa was swept toward the UK by the jet stream, transforming into a deep, low-pressure system. This system brings unusually warm, humid air for November, setting the stage for exceptional rainfall. Yesterday, the first bands of rain hit the southwest, with yellow warnings issued for travel disruption and local flooding. Cornwall and Devon saw persistent rain and surface water issues. The real impact, however, is just beginning, as the storm's main energy arrives in the coming days. The origins of this system explain why it's so potent and why the UK is bracing for severe weather. Understanding Melissa's journey helps us prepare for what's ahead. The science behind this week's deluge is a dramatic clash of air masses. Warm, moist air from ex-hurricane Melissa meets cooler, denser air over the UK. As the warm air rises over the cool, it cools and condenses, forming thick, rain-laden clouds. The slow-moving weather front means rain lingers, dumping huge amounts of water over the same areas. Hills and mountains in western Britain amplify rainfall through orographic lift, leading to the highest totals. This perfect storm of moisture, slow movement, and terrain is why flood warnings are widespread. The mild temperatures are a sign of the warm, moisture-rich air driving this event. All these factors combine to create a serious risk of flooding this week. On top of rain and wind, a supermoon is amplifying flood risks along the coast. The supermoon's stronger gravitational pull creates exceptionally high tides, known as Peregrine spring tides. These high tides will coincide with the storm's strongest winds and lowest pressure, pushing seawater inland. The resulting storm surge, combined with high astronomical tides, raises sea levels even further. Coastal defences may be overtopped, threatening low-lying towns and harbours. Flood alerts are in place from Cornwall to northwest England. Residents are urged to stay away from exposed coastal areas and heed all warnings. Here's what to expect in the days ahead. Today, heavy rain and flood risks focus on Wales, the southwest and northwest England. The Midlands and East stay mostly dry but breezy and mild. Wednesday, the heaviest rain shifts north to Cumbria and southern Scotland, with rising river levels and flood risk. Elsewhere, expect blustery showers and a slight drop in temperature. Thursday brings more rain and wind to Scotland and Northern Ireland, while the south sees some improvement. Coastal flood risks remain high during morning and evening tides. By Friday and the weekend, the system moves away, but showers linger and the ground remains saturated. It will feel colder as fresher air returns, but flood risks will persist for some time. This week's storm fits a troubling trend. Britain's autumns are getting wetter. Scientific studies show the UK's climate is warming, leading to more frequent and intense rainfall events. A warmer atmosphere holds more moisture, so storms now deliver heavier rain. Recent autumns have broken rainfall records, causing severe flooding. Climate change is also affecting the jet stream, making weather systems like this one move more slowly and linger longer. Prolonged heavy rain is overwhelming old drainage systems and flood defences. The UK must adapt with better forecasting, stronger flood defences and smarter land management. This week's events are a clear sign that climate change is already reshaping our weather. Extreme rainfall is becoming the new normal, especially in autumn. The need for urgent adaptation is undeniable. With severe weather affecting much of the UK, safety comes first. Stay informed, monitor forecasts and heed Met Office warnings. Check flood alerts from the Environment Agency, Natural Resources Wales, or SEPA. If you live in a flood-prone area, prepare a flood kit and move valuables upstairs. Follow evacuation advice from emergency services without hesitation. Avoid unnecessary travel in affected areas. Never drive or walk through floodwater. High winds make driving hazardous, especially for high-sided vehicles. Stay away from coastal paths and sea walls. Large waves are dangerous. Check on vulnerable neighbours and family. By taking precautions and following official advice, we can all stay safe through this challenging week.